Are you someone who gets fascinated by the subatomic particles or the wide range of the cosmos? Then my friend, physics is the right field for you to study. Now in this video we are going to discuss in detail that how you can pursue your MSc in physics, what are the trending topics that exist, और आप MSc के बाद में कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स देके आप कौन कौन से टॉप रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट्स में अपने इंटर्नशिप्स या फिर PhD या फिर और भी कुछ कोर्सेज कर सकते हो। यहाँ से आपको ये भी पता चलेगा कि आपका करियर ट्रेजेक्ट्री कैसा होने वाला है। तो अगर एक फिजिसिस्ट बनना चाहते हो तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखो। तो हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है सौम्य प्रकाश और इस वीडियो में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं की रिसर्च अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन फिजिक्स फॉर MSc एंड बियॉन्ड। चलो फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं जल्दी से। तो द क्वेश्चन इज कि why pursue research in physics in the first place? So of course physics involves a lot of innovation and drives all the theory that explains the natural phenomena ranging from, like I said, subatomic particles to the universe itself, right? तो यहाँ पे scope क्या है कि you can do a lot of research, or there are a lot of opportunities in academia. There is also research and development that's going on, industrial and academic labs as well as industries. So what you get to do is contribute to cutting edge technologies, not just use but improve, innovate, learn and apply in the fields like quantum computing, energy resource, storage devices and many more. ठीक है, अब यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना मेन कंटेंट कि व्हाट आर द मेजर रिसर्च एरियाज इन फिजिक्स। तो of course I have categorized in three fields, namely theoretical, experimental and applied physics or interdisciplinary fields. Theoretical physics में you have a big chunk of physics such as quantum mechanics, relativity, string theory, cosmology. You also have some high energy physics like quark gluon plasma, some collision theories and like that. एक बहुत ही prominent example है like Stephen Hawking's work on black holes, or like the work on gravitational waves was purely theoretical, right? अभी verify भी हुआ है experimentally, उस observatory का नाम comments में बता दो जहाँ पे gravitational waves detect हुए हैं. The next section is experimental physics, where you of course focus on one domain is particle physics, then comes condensed matter experiments. Condensed matter experiments itself is very broad, ranging from magnetism, fermions, right? Superconducting experiments and many more. Then you have nuclear physics. Here also we have particle physics or high energy physics experiment. Okay, the experiment includes, let's say, detectors, particle colliders, LHC. Oh, LHC is mentioned here. Yes, CERN mein hai, right? We have also discussed this many times. BARC lab, especially for nuclear and particle physics. ठीक है, उसके बाद से यहाँ पे you have applied physics or interdisciplinary. The importance being कि these fields currently in trends due to the societal applications they carry and the problems they are going to solve potentially, like quantum technologies. This involves quantum information, quantum computing, quantum cryptography and everything. Then you have material science like energy storage devices, right? Nanomaterials, nanotechnology, building new kinds of materials that can, you know, solve a lot of problems. That comes under these categories. ठीक है, ये भी बहुत popular research fields हैं. यहाँ पे क्या होता है ना कि you get to meet people from different backgrounds. Let's say mathematician, like quantum technology is here, right? So you get to meet mathematicians, you get to work with a lot of chemists, engineers and of course physicists. ठीक है, तो the major consequences, you work in collaboration with industry in many scenarios, let's say in semiconductors industry or superconductors. ठीक है, and of course you get to study a lot of things that go in the market as well. Okay, so basically bringing out the research in the lab to the market for people to use. So that is the importance. Now, top research institutes and programs that you can try pursuing. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप एज अ MSc स्टूडेंट या फिर एज अ BSc स्टूडेंट भी आप यहाँ पे इन सारी जगहों पे इंटर्नशिप्स कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू गेट एक्सपोजर रिसर्च में. ठीक है, अब इंटर्नशिप कैसे करनी है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड क्या है, डिटेल्स क्या है, प्रोसीजर्स क्या होनी चाहिए, आपको सर्वे कैसे करना है, कोल्ड ईमेल कैसे लिखना है, अपना CV कैसे बनाना है, इसके लिए हमने अलग वीडियो ऑलरेडी बना रखी है, आप उसको चेकआउट कर सकते हो डेफिनेटली. ठीक है, इंडिया में अगर कुछ टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट्स की बात करूँ तो सबको पता है IISc बैंगलोर इज द ग्रेटेस्ट. यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेटेड MS PhD प्रोग्राम्स आप कर सकते हो अपने MSc के बाद में या BS के बाद में. ठीक है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे एक्सपेरिमेंटल एंड कंप्यूटेशनल फिजिक्स इज सुपर्ब. Beyond that, we have TIFR Mumbai, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. यहाँ पे theoretical and experimental physics दोनों का ही बहुत ज़बरदस्त scope है. Lot of very famous groups work here in TIFR, such as in astrophysics, condensed matter physics. Then you have a lot of IITs. IITs में what's different is many research groups work on the topics which are very prominent in societal applications. तो वहाँ पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा interdisciplinary research देखने को मिल जाएगी. जैसे IIT कानपुर या IIT दिल्ली बॉम्बे में a lot of biomedical and biophysical research goes on. ठीक है. BARC मुंबई भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर में a lot of nuclear research goes on. यहाँ पे आप इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. आयोका पुणे स्पेशली फॉर एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स कॉस्मोलॉजी. ठीक है. LIGO, which I just discussed about in previous slide, is in collaboration with IIOCA Pune and building the detector for India. ठीक है. International में there are some institutes that I just mentioned here. CERN is for, of course, for high energy physics and detectors. Perimeter is especially known for its research in quantum information and theoretical physics. ठीक है. Max Planck, all sorts of research goes on. ठीक है. Ranging from theoretical physics to experimental to interdisciplinary complex systems, active matter, condensed matter experiments, everything. And of course, these are the places where I got my PhD offer from. And US में some very popular are Caltech in condensed matter, ठीक है, quantum technologies, quantum computing, plasma physics. इसके beyond भी बहुत सारे institutes are there, but these are just to name a few. Okay, now the question is कि what exactly are the research opportunities? Suppose आपको internship करनी है या फिर आपको MS करना है या MS PhD करना है, ठीक है, वो सारी hierarchy we have already discussed in a lot of other videos. यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक overview दे देता हूँ कि अगर आप let's say second year and above में हो अपने BSc में या फिर integrated BSMS 5-year program में, तो आप IAS Indian Academy of Science की fellowships के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे SRFP Summer Research Fellowship प्रोग्राम होती है. ओके, अगर आप फर्स्ट सेकेंड ईयर में हो, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर NIUS. दिस इज़ अ वेरी रेप्यूटेड प्रोग्राम. इफ़ यू आर जस्ट अ फ्रेशर, ठीक है, इसरो रिसर्च फेलोशिप्स में यू कैन अप्लाई. यहाँ से यू गेट टू वर्क इन अ लॉट ऑफ सेंटर्स ऑफ इसरो अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ वेरी क्वालिफाइड साइंटिस्ट वर्किंग देयर. ऑलराइट, इसके अलावा भी देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्स पोर्टल्स सच एज फ्रॉम IITs. ठीक है, IITs की ओपनिंग्स होती हैं. IISers में यू कैन अप्लाई for summer's research internships. You can come to NICER as well, the same place where I am from. Suppose this thing is done, you have built a very good profile and your MSc is almost done, then you can apply for JRF. This is after MSc and basically this offers you PhD positions with stipends. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 37,000 आपको JRF means Junior Research Fellowship. ऑल राइट, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स आपको ऑफर करेंगे PhD प्रोजेक्ट्स या रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट्स. ठीक है, इसमें CSIR लैब्स भी इंक्लूडेड होती हैं. दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई फॉर UGC NET and you get a lot of opportunities at labs like BARC, DRDO and other CSIR labs. You can also apply for direct PhD programs in a lot of institutes such as a lot of IITs, IISers. यहाँ पे GATE भी mention होगा. You can apply for GATE Physics. ठीक है, and get into PhD programs at IITs, IISc and other places. तो ये हो गई बात आपके BSc, MSc and PhDs की. Now, what are other entrance exams? These are just, ठीक है, GATE, like I already mentioned, CSIR NET, TIFR का exam भी you can give, and this gives you entry at TIFR and all the basically partner institutes at TIFR. GATE basically opens the doors for you to pursue at IITs, IISc and some of the PSUs. So this is not a PSU, basically like ONGC. ठीक है, already however the PSU seats are very limited, but it's possible. Some people do go through that. So GIST is also there. This is for physics and theoretical computer science. ठीक है, it gives you PhD and MS PhD courses in many of the top research institutes like IISers, IISc, all right, TIFR. So some tips from my side to build your research profile appealing. So basically what you can do apart from your research, apart from your coursework and studies, you should attend workshops and conferences, lots and lots of it. The point is to gain as much exposure as you can while being in a BS college or MS college. So you can attend physics workshops, conferences, national international level. अगर आपके कॉलेज में कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है तो definitely go for it, even अगर allowed नहीं हो तो, because you get to meet a lot of people. ठीक है, networking opportunities are incredible in any of the conference there. And अगर आप वहाँ पे कोई अपना work present कर पाते हो किसी के साथ भी collaboration में, तो that puts a mark in your CV that he has attended a conference and presented his work in the form of a poster or a seminar or a paper or anything. Okay, so it definitely improves not just your CV, I would say, but it improves. You get to learn a lot of things. You get to see how, what is the trending research that is going on in that particular field. You get to meet a lot of scientists, researchers, your peers, all right, and you can of course maintain contacts with those people, build bonds, and of course continue your discussions. If you're in college, you can work on small projects. If you don't have much experience, you're a fresher or second year, you can learn a skill, let's say coding, or you can approach professors. Okay? Like I said, you can assist professors in their free time, in their labs with their small works. Okay, so you during your coursework, so of course you get to learn a lot of things. Okay? You assist professors, you see what kind of work goes on in their labs. Okay? How does the PhDs are being treated, what kind of research they are producing, and how exactly everything is going on. You can do this. Other aspect of building projects is it gets added in your CV, right? And of course, it propels you for further internships, be it in India or outside. Then the next thing is you can publish your research output. Of course, it's not necessary and that you always get a publication, but suppose you're working in a project for 6 months to a year or two, then it's possible that you may get to publish your work in a peer-reviewed journal. तो इससे आपकी CV में तो definitely value add होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. And कोई भी आपका CV देखेगा तो he gets to know that you know how to conduct a research in any particular field to publishing a research paper. ठीक है, because it's a complicated process, and if you have done that, it definitely demonstrates your expertise in that field to some extent. ठीक है, networking I have already discussed. You can join communities at LinkedIn, ResearchGate, Discord, ठीक है, and a lot of other places. So Discord actually helped me getting the Russian internship, which is mentioned in another video. So definitely it works and you can leverage that. Now some of the emerging research fields that I just mentioned, and some of them are here also, like quantum technologies and computing. This is going to be in high demand in both academic and industrial research. Why? Because the kinds of problems, the kinds of topics it's going to address, right? Cryptography, computation, and all sorts of stuff. Machine learning, AI, astrophysics, space exploration is always in high demands. So research opportunities at ISRO, IOCA, Pune, global observatories are always there. You can just demonstrate your enthusiasm and expertise and get along the way. Then sustainable energy devices, electronics devices, right? Chips, circuits, everything, flexible organic devices. This is in like being highly explored. And if you're interested in that, you can pursue that, pursue an internship, build a project, and then of course you're done. So one such example is fusion research. Solar energy technologies, of course, it's included. And another segment of interdisciplinary research is biophysics. For example, in COVID, what did we need? We need vaccines, right? For that, we needed a lot of, a large amount of data. We needed to analyze that. So physicists came into picture. They applied their data science, they applied their models, and of course, they did drug modeling. Okay, so you can basically apply your condensed matter principles in the form of ML, AI to any biological system or active matter system, and then you can come to any fascinating conclusion. Okay, so basically combining biophysics for drug discovery, or a lot of things are there. Okay, so these are some of the things about trending research fields in physics. Okay, how you can pursue internships during your BSc or MSc in any of these fields. What are the top research institutes? What are the top exams that you can appear for MSc, and after MSc for PhD, what are the courses you can pursue? ठीक है, तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इस वीडियो से बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिली होगी एंड बहुत इंसाइट्स के बारे में पता चला होगा। बहुत लोगों का एक क्वेश्चन होता है कि भैया एमएससी में पहुँच गए हैं, बट ये पता कैसे करें कि किस फील्ड में जाना है, कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, राइट। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि यहाँ से आपको हेल्प मिलेगी। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन चेक आउट SciAstra.com. SciAstra is the first and largest research and development community in India. So we have more than 2,000 success stories. These are some of them. And if you have any career related queries, you can check out SciAstra.com and fill the career counseling form, and you can directly interact with me at 5 p.m. on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, and of course we can together discuss your problems and find solutions that work. All right, so उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। ऐसे ही और इंटर्नशिप और रिसर्च रिलेटेड कंटेंट के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लो एंड शेयर कर दो अपने उन सभी दोस्तों के साथ जो कि BSMS या फिर फिजिक्स में कंफ्यूज हैं। ठीक है, चलो मिलता हूँ अगले वीडियो में। बाय बाय।